Okay.
Testing 1, 2, testing 1, 2. How's everybody doing tonight? All right. Funny thing happened to me on the way to the gig today. My car was rear-ended by a banana truck. And bananas all over the freeway, like thousands of them. It was unbelievable. So, I told you, it's pretty funny. None of this actually happened in real life. Anyway, how we doing? We good? Got a little good mix here. I've been trying to tell some of my other students that, when somebody asks you to check a mic, you need to keep talking, right? Keep on going. Because, if you just go check, it doesn't really help them to do their knob-turning gig. Anyway, that's my lecture for the day. Check, 1, 2. Check. 3, 4.
That one's working. That one's not working. Wait, there it is. You just plug it in more. I just moved it a little. I'll check the cable. Okay, can you stand up?